Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So आज की वीडियो स्किन केयर वीडियो होने वाली है. मैं अपना वीकली स्किन केयर करने जा रही थी और मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट शेयर इट विद यू गाइस. सो मे बी इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू एज वेल. सो टुडे आई एम हियर शेयरिंग माई स्किन केयर वीकली स्किन केयर रूटीन with you all. So if you want to see what products I use on my skin and have this skin right here, then keep on watching. So guys, putting two things out there. First I have this eyeliner and mascara thing going on because इससे पहले मैंने एक वीडियो शूट की है and उसके बाद मैंने मेकअप रिमूव किया. So mascara remaining and this kajal will go away with second cleansing which is face wash. Using face wash on my face. So उससे पहले मुझे मेरे ब्लैक हेड्स रिमूव करने थे इसलिए मैंने अभी फेस वॉश यूज़ नहीं किया. दैट्स वाई मेरे फेस की हालत ये लग रही है. सो पुटिंग आउट देयर. So guys, my step 1 in my weekly skincare routine is to remove my blackheads over my nose. So I attract blackheads way too much and I need to remove them on weekly basis. So I use this derma suction device टू रिमूव माई ब्लैक हेड्स एंड इसके ऊपर मेरे पास पूरा एक रिव्यू वीडियो पड़ा है मेरे चैनल पे. सो आई विल लिंक इट डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टिंग इन सीइंग रिव्यू ऑन दिस वन देन प्लीज़ हॉप ऑन टू दैट वीडियो एंड देन कम बैक टू दिस वीडियो. सो मैं इससे पहले अपने ब्लैक हेड्स रिमूव करूँगी अपनी नोज़ के अराउंड. सो गाइस, मेरा काफ़ी अच्छे से पोपट हो चुका है. ये इसकी बैटरी ख़त्म हो गई है. इसमें ये वाले सेल्स पड़ते हैं जो कि मेरे पास है नहीं एक्स्ट्रा. एंड अब मैं अपने ब्लैक हेड्स नहीं रिमूव कर पाऊँगी. आई एम सो अपसेट फॉर दैट बट इट्स ओके. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर सेकेंड स्टेप. सो गाइस, सेकेंड स्टेप पे मैं फेस वॉश करती हूँ. उसके लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस क्लीन एंड क्लियर का फोमिंग फेस वॉश. और दूसरी वीडियो में मैं यही फेस वॉश यूज़ करती हूँ बिकॉज आई लव इट. इट इज़ ऑयल फ्री. It is oil free, won't clog your pores, gently removes dirt, oil and pimple causing germs and so on. 150 ml for rupees 165 and I love this one. It is good for sensitive skin as well. So I am going to take that face wash on this device right here. It is for your Luna का सस्ता वाला dupe because I can't afford it. So subscribe to my channel. जस्ट किडिंग. सो इसको यूज़ करूँगी मैं और मुझे लगा तो शायद इसकी भी चार्जिंग ख़त्म हो गई होगी बट ऐसा नहीं है. मैं बच गई. एक डिवाइस है तो मैंने पोपट कर दिया इसलिए बचा लिया. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ इट. वैसे मैं डेली बेसिस पे यूज़ नहीं करती. आई एम आलसी लाइक यू ऑल गाइज. सो डोंट माइंड इफ़ आई कॉल्ड यू आलसी. सो मैं डेली बेसिस पे यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. सिर्फ वीकली बेसिस पे अपनी स्किन को पैम्पर करने के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दैट फेस वॉश ऑन दिस एंड जस्ट मसाज माई फेस नाइसली फॉर 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, I am done massaging my face with this one and it is so soothing and relaxing for your skin. So if you want to invest in this one then do go for it. It is just for rupees 228 or within 300, I know for sure. So if you want to buy it then please go ahead. Now I will just wash my face with water and see you guys in it. So guys, now you can see my skin is so clean and looking so beautiful, supple. I don't know if it's just me. I feel that it gives me a glow in just 5 to 10 seconds. So I love this product. So now let's hop on to my step 3 which is exfoliation. So for that I use this Biotique का Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. I love this scrub and it is not too thick, not too coarse. So this is how its consistency looks like and you can clearly see how much I have used it. So I love this one. So now on my damp face I will be applying this scrub all over and massaging it with gentle hands so that it won't cause that micro tears in my skin. So guys, taking just mingy amount which is very less. I don't like to go overboard with my scrub simply because I don't like to over scrub my skin. It damages your skin very nicely. So I don't like to go overboard with that. And with my hand slightly I am going to scrub it. So guys, this scrub is very good, not too what we say coarse, not too thin particles that it won't do anything to your skin. skin and not too harsh that it will cause micro tears. And it is a cream based scrub, so it really moisturizes your skin well. And if you are on a dry skin side, you can definitely go for this one. This does the job really nicely, so I like this one. So I am done with scrubbing my face. Now I am going to rinse it with water and see you in a while. So guys, after scrubbing, my skin feels so soft and cleansed and looks really nice. Now for step 4, we have to do a face mask, which is the Rosehip face mask by Good Vibes. I am going to use this. I have reviewed this one on my channel as well. I will link the video down below in the description box if you are interested in seeing my reviews on it. So this is how the consistency looks like, and I have used it 1 to 2 times and I love this face mask. So I am going to apply it all over my face and keep it rested for 10 minutes until it is completely dried out. So let me apply it. It is very creamy, so it is very hassle free to apply it on your skin. Some masks are very drying, so you have to literally drag your skin to apply it, but this one comes in a very creamy formula. So I am going to apply it on my skin jaldi se and let it sit for 10 minutes. So guys, my face pack is completely dried now and I will just wash it with water and see you in a while. So guys, I am done washing my face and you can see that glow on my face. It is because of the face mask. It says it provides you radiance glow, and that is so true. So if you want to invest in that one, then please go ahead. Now I am using this Rosehip Good Vibes Rosehip ka Skin Clarifying Face Toner. So this also claims radiance glow. It is from the same range, that's why I am using it. Now I am going to spritz it all over my face. Guys, I have taken quite a lot of a shower in this one. Now I will let the toner air dry on my skin and move on to next product. So guys, toner has completely dried up. Now my next step is to apply a face serum, and for that I am using this Good Vibes ka tea tree and papaya oil control face serum. So lately I am breaking out too much over here and here, so I think tea tree will help me with that. So I am going to apply this serum all over my face. It has watery texture and it is very lightweight, and it has this tea tree smell and Ayurvedic smell. So if you are someone who hates that smell, then it's better for you to stay away from this one. But I don't mind these type of fragrances, so that's why I'm applying it on my face and massaging it until it's get absorbed completely into my skin. So guys, as you can see, it is completely absorbed into my skin, and yeah, my skin is looking quite glowy. Now for next step, I am going to moisturize my face, and for that I will be using Pond's ka light moisturizer, non-oily feel. This one, I have a comparison video in this and the super light gel moisturizer. So if you are considering to buy a moisturizer from these ranges, then do watch that video. I think it will be helpful for you, and all the videos will be mentioned down in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Now taking the moisturizer, I am applying it all over my face and massaging it nicely. Feels so good after you apply a moisturizer on top of the serum. It just gives you the extra amount of moisturization and makes your skin look so healthy, glowy and plumping, as you can see. So guys, moisture is completely absorbed into my skin and it looks so nice and glowy. I'm loving my skin today. That's why I do this pamper session weekly. So guys, here we finish our today's video and hope you like the video. These all products were so affordable. So if you are a teenager and you have limited amount of money in your pocket, then you can definitely go for these products and you will be good to go to get this glowing and so healthy plump skin. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. See you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye. And yes, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for further notifications. See you in my next one. Bye.